In this tutorial, we're going to look at the pages of your mobile website. So how to add more than one page. You can add as many pages as you want to your mobile website. And then also how to link the pages of your site to the home page and any other page of your site as well. So you can build a full-on website within Mobelio. So this is very, very simple to do. And as you'll see on the left-hand side, this is where your list of pages actually appears. By default, you will have a home page created of every mobile website you set up, and at the very bottom here you'll see the button add page. Okay, so to add a new page to your mobile website, we simply click add page, click on the blank green button here, and that will add a page automatically to your mobile website. Now the page will automatically come up as blank, so the first thing you need to do is change the settings for your page. And you just simply go to the settings tab within your Mobelio builder here, and then you'll see the name is currently blank. So you name the page whatever the page is. So if you're creating, as an example, an About Us page, we would change that to About Us and update the changes. And as you see, that changes on the left hand side here. So whatever your page name is, place that in there and that will change for you. Now, you've also got the option of every single page of your mobile website to add a meta description and meta keywords as well for SEO reasons. This is an optional part, you don't need to do this, but if you do want to add a description and keywords for your page, you do have the option to do that in here. Now, each page works the same as every other page, so you would start with a blank canvas and you can then drag and drop these widgets into the canvas to create the actual page for you. So if this is an About Us page in this example, I could drag in some text here, I could drag an image of my company in here, and again, just to edit these just like you would with any other page of your mobile website. So very easy indeed. Now, like I say, you can add as many pages as you wish. There is no restriction on pages, so if you want to add 10, 20, 30 pages or more, by all means you can do. You just keep clicking add a page at the bottom and on the blank to keep adding pages down the left hand side here. Now, to link the pages to each other, so for example on the home page of your site, you're going to want to link in all the other pages of your website. Now, to do this is very simple. There are two widgets you can do this with. You've got the button widget, which is a single button, and you've got the menu widget as well, which allows you to create an actual menu of your site. So let me just add another item here really quick. So as you can see, you can create an actual menu here, and you can also have a single standalone button, and you can add as many as these as you want to your canvas. So if this is the home page of your site here, you're going to want to link your home page to all the inner pages of your site. So if you've created an About Us page, you obviously want to have a link to that on the main home page of your mobile website. So to do that, very simple, and they both work in the same way, either the menu or these single buttons. You simply edit these. Okay, so I'm going to edit the single button here. So I'm going to change the name to About Us. Okay, and as you can see, this changes in real time over here, as you can see. And then by default, it will offer an external link. So you can pop an external link in here and link that button to somewhere else, wherever you want to link that to. But because I want to link this to an inner page of my mobile website, so the About Us page I've created, we need to change this drop down to link to inner page. Again, I just need to rename this. Okay, so About Us. There we go. And then the drop down box here will have a list of all the pages you create. So every time you create a new page, it will then appear on the drop down boxes of the button widget and the menu widget. So I want to link this particular button to the About Us page. So I'm just going to select that, click Save, and that's all we need to do. This button now on my home page will now link to this page. Okay, so it's very, very easy to do, and you can add links on any page you want. So I could add on the About Us page, I could add a button on there. I could do whatever I need to do. It's very, very easy to do. The menu works in exactly the same way as the button, so you just edit these. You edit each individual menu item. So we've got first item here, so if I want to link that to the same page, About Us, you just drop that down. Again, works in exactly the same way here. We've got the external link. I'm going to change that to link to inner page, choose the About Us, and with the menu you also get the option to add an icon as well. We add the arrow icon to the right by default, but I want to change that to an information icon as an example. One click changes that, click Save, and I've essentially edited the menu item to link to the inner page About Us as well. And you just do the same for every single item you add to your menu. So that's how you create pages in Mobelio. Very easy indeed. You can create as many as you want. And that is the two widgets you use to link all of your pages together. And you can link any page to any page by just dragging a button widget or a menu widget into the page and linking that to whatever you want to link that to.